Namaste. Welcome to read Naneshwari along with me. I am going to read chapter 13, OV 593. A traveler settled in the house for a night is neutral about that house. Who is thus neutral regarding his body? A traveler has no attachment to a shadow of tree met on the way. Like that, he has no love for his own house. Your shadow is always with you, but you never know it is there and have no attachment. Like that, he has no attachment to woman. The children he has, he considers them as travelers who have come to stay overnight, or like cattle sitting underneath the tree. Arjuna, though he is amidst wealth, he seems not attached to it, like a traveler witnessing the things happening on the way. What more should I say? Like a parrot in the cage, he is in the worldly life, afraid of the order of Vedas. Who doesn't love his wife, children, and home? Understand, he is in the authority on the knowledge. The ocean is equally filled in the summer and in the winter. Thus, he considered desired and undesired equal. In the morning, noon, and evening, the sun doesn't change into the three types. Like that, happiness and sorrow doesn't make difference in his mind. Where the equality of mind is not affected, like sky is not affected by the change in the season, there, understand, is the knowledge in that person. There is nothing better than me. Those three, his mind, body, and speech, have thus certainly decided. The above three have just sworn, and they don't desire anything else apart from me. What else can I say? Whose mind is very close to me. He is made only one bed for me and him. A faithful woman, when with her husband, doesn't have any reserve in the mind as well as in body. Who has thus followed me? The water of Ganges, after joining sea, keep on pouring the sea. Like that, after uniting with me, he keeps on worshipping me in every way. The brilliance of sun manifests with sunrise and disappeared with sunset. This association of brilliance is only proper for brilliance. The up and down motion on the surface of water shines. It is called the wave of others, but otherwise it is the same water. Who is thus faithful and worship me after becoming one with me, Arjuna? This is the knowledge in person. Who like to reside in the place of pilgrimage or on the bank of holy rivers and ocean, the tranquil places and cave to practice penance. Who lives near lake and on the mountain peaks, he doesn't like to visit cities. Who likes isolation and loads people, understand he is an icon of knowledge in the form of man. He covers Arjuna. Uh, hey Arjuna, I shall tell you some more signs which will decide about the knowledge. Thank you very much. Now I will stop here and come again for the next session.